It's important for you to know the information provided in this workshop is general advice only and has been prepared without taking into account your personal objectives, financial situation, or needs. Before acting on any such general advice, you should consider the appropriateness of the advice, having regard to your own objectives, financial situation, and needs. CSC's financial planning team are exclusively for CSC members and their families. There is a continuous evolution of financial planning to ensure that the level of professionalism increases and that financial advisors are acting in the best interest of their clients. This is what you can expect from CSC financial advisors. The other evolution is about you, more specifically about your goals and objectives, because the things we plan for have changed dramatically. Think of it this way. Retirement needs for your parents and even your grandparents are very different to what you want and need from your own retirement. When the majority of us at CSC started out as financial planners, we were working with clients who were looking to work until around 65 years of age. Clients who would then survive another 10 or so years of retirement, which mostly consisted of afternoon television and looking after the grandchildren. Does that sound like the retirement you'd like? Are you going to spend your kids' inheritance or be the steward of your future family's wealth? These days at CSC, we're planning for retirements that may last around 30 years. 30 good years, we hope. So that means retirement these days needs greater funding and expertise. Financial freedom means something different to everyone. What does it mean for you? Caravanning around Australia? Climbing Kilimanjaro? Or becoming a Francophile, an expert in cheese and champagne? Whatever your dreams may be, we need to know how to help you plan for it. Financial advice benefits everyone. It can include budget analysis, strategies for wealth creation, planning for retirement, understanding superannuation, and getting the right insurance. Above all, financial planning can help you create a roadmap towards financial freedom and peace of mind. A financial advisor acting in a client's best interest should not have a conflict of interest. You're more likely to receive better advice from a fee-for-service financial advisor who doesn't receive commissions or incentives. If you'd like to meet with a CSC financial planner, we'd love to chat to you about booking an appointment.